So guys, for today's video, no, install tayo ng Toyota seat cover ng Toyota Innova E 2023 model. Pakita natin, black and gray combination, Japan leather. So ayan yung actual fit ng customized design Innova E 2023 model. So yes, Adidas yung design ni sir. Oh, yan oh. Natin yung second row. Yan. Swabe. Ganyan ka swabe guys. Yung seat cover natin. Ganyan yung lapat. Ayan. Makikita mo talaga. Ayan. Talagang yan yung second row. Tapos yung third row guys. Yan. May packet siya, previous neck pillow. So yan. So dito nga pala tayo sa Iskunyap. Yan. Ayan, thank you.